Hi, hello, how are you? My name is Anna Ten Bensel, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are brand new here. I am going through some of my LeetCode solutions. These are not live coded solutions, these are solutions I did earlier this year, and I didn't think to record them at the time. So we're going to be going through those here, and today, on this particular video, we're going through LeetCode problem number 2 in Python. I also did this one in Rust as well. It didn't go as planned. I can show you here. I got the wrong answer twice. So, and it tested, like, the test cases worked when I hit run, and I kept trying to reconfigure it. Anyway, long story short, we're going to be going through the Python solution. So I want to show you guys how I ranked. This is really bad. Okay, this is 7%. I beat 7% of people in runtime in Python. However, this one didn't do as bad for memory. We were at 89%. So very close to 90, but not quite there yet. So number 2, I will go ahead and read this problem. I realize I didn't do it for number 1. I do think this might help because I had kind of a lengthy solution for my Python solution. So let's jump into number 2. You're given 2 non-empty linked lists representing 2 non-negative integers. The lists are stored in reverse order, and each of their nodes contains a single digit. Add the 2 numbers and return the sum as a linked list. You may assume the 2 numbers do not contain any leading 0 except the number 0 itself. And it gives you the examples here, the test cases, and the constraints. So this is what comes when you load the page. So this I can explain, but I don't think I have to. If you want me to, I definitely can. But I want to go ahead and jump into this section here. So basically, this method, like add 2 numbers, takes 2 linked lists, L1 and L2 as the input, representing 2 numbers to be added. So the goal is to return the result as a linked list. The method will show, will follow the logic described in this other part. So this area basically calculates numeric values of the linked lists L1 and L2 using the get number method. It adds the 2 numbers and returns the result by calling the add number method. So there we go. The get number method takes the linked list L1 as input and then converts it into a numeric value. It then iterates through the linked list, considering each digit as part of a larger number. So it also counts the number of leading zeros and kind of handles them accordingly as per this area. For the reverse number section, it basically just reverses the numeric value like n. It extracts digits 1 from the least significant digit and reconstructs the number in reversed order. So it also accounts for the leading zeros using the 0 count value right here, here, and here. So, and that kind of leads us into this add number method, which converts the numeric value n to a linked list representation. So it calculates the number of digits and iterates, iteratively constructs in the linked list by extracting and adding each digit as a new node. So think of this as a list and think of these as nodes. That's like what it's trying to do. So then we kind of end it here with this count number digits, which just calculates the number of digits in a numeric value n. So basically, this code as a whole performs the addition on 2 numbers represented as linked lists. So it just converts the linked lists into numeric value, adds them, and then converts the results back into a linked list representation. And it also takes care of the leading zeros in a very thoughtful way. Is there a better way to do this? Yes. Again, I will be doing a different video with better solutions, optimized solutions, because as I've gone through and given myself a little bit more time to practice and a little bit more time to be thoughtful with my responses, obviously I have better ideas now. Okay. So this is just a solution. You're more than welcome to learn from it. The GitHub repo for this is in the description of this video, so feel free to fork and clone, make this better, make it worse, just have some fun. That's all that's important here. So thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next video.